Hello everyone and welcome back to AI Watch Build. Okay, so today I'm doing something a little different. I'm going to let AI run my entire YouTube workflow. From the ideas to the script to the thumbnail to uploading and everything, and let you see that process, because it's quite a bit of a process, and to let you see how much AI helps me get this done. Okay, so here we go, and I'm just gonna kind of go back and forth, okay? So it's not the last you're gonna see of me. And here I go, because I don't know where my remote to my camera is, so. Wait, where is it? It's that. All right, so let's paste this. Give me 10 high-click YouTube video ideas about saving money with AI. And then, bam. Look at that. Isn't that awesome? I mean, what was that, 10 seconds? That's amazing. So, then I'm going to choose one, and then I'm going to tell it to write a script for me so that I have a script to go by. I don't, of course, follow the script. I kind of do my own thing, but I get a starting point and a place where I'm going with it. Okay, so now let's see the next step. Write a structured outline with a strong hook, 3 teaching points, and a call to action. Just great information. It helps me get everything together. Now, give me 5 high CTR thumbnail text ideas for this topic. Keep them under 4 words. Now I have to take a picture of me for the thumbnail that I had to go into Canva and then create the thumbnail in Canva. So that's how we get the little lovely faces of me on all of the videos. So I know how much we all enjoy that so much. It's quite embarrassing to have to take these pictures and put them up, but that's what it's called for, so that's what it's called for. Here we go, let's go see what happens. Write a YouTube description, optimized for search, including keywords, but sounding human. Isn't that amazing? I mean, AI really makes this possible. It makes so many things possible. It's just great information. It helps me get everything together, follow all the steps. When I don't know what the step is or how to do it, AI will walk me through it. If it makes a mistake, I definitely will know it. It will too. We'll rework it and we'll find our way through it. That is how I use AI as my working, thinking partner, and the partner I depend on to have the information. The whole reason for this channel is to teach and to learn about AI and to help us and to use it in the best way possible. But the most important thing is we want to help animals on a global level. Okay, I support CuzIMatter.org, and that's CUZIMATTER.org. We are supporting them and highlighting them because they have land, but they do not have the funds to build the kennels to save all of the animals. You know, the abandoned animals, the animals in the kill shelters. Lonnie Anderson, who I fostered 45 minutes before she was euthanized, we were able to save her because of Cuz I Matter. So that is why we're highlighting them. We want to build the kennels. We want to save animals from the kill shelters, and no animal should be killed because they're alive, and no animal should go hungry and abandoned. So please help me in supporting Cuz I Matter Animal Rescue, and support your local animal and rescue centers, and please adopt if you can. Thank you. I'll see you here next time.